Alright, so welcome back to What Gear Reviews, and today I just managed to get my hands on a P20 Pro, which I'm going to be comparing to a Sony RX100 Mark VI. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about the finest cases known to man for the P20. If you're going to be taking this out and about, it's an expensive phone. One of the first things you probably want to do is protect it. So I want to go through some of the finest cases out there right now. So let's start with this, the Sentinel case and glass screen protector for the P20 Pro. So I just want to say a massive shout out to mobilefun.co.uk for hooking these up for me. I really appreciate it. And if you guys out there want to check any of these out, I recommend you go over there, have a look at their website. They got loads of cool stuff from Elixir, who make this case and this screen protector, and they also sell all this other stuff like the official cases as well. So here's the screen glass itself. I'm going to have to spend a bit of time and put this on because I don't want to mess it up. The good thing about this screen glass is it actually has the edges on it as well. So that fits nicely over the top like that and protects the screen from any scuffs. It doesn't quite wrap around the curved edges, but it will protect the front of the screen. And then if you use that combined with this, you have full protection of your P20 Pro. And it's a really nice feel on the back as well. You've got these carbon fiber strips there. You've got cleaning wipes and all the sticky pads and all that kind of stuff that you expect from any screen glass. So next up is this, the Elixir Premium Smartphone Case. This one is known as the Mesh Tex Huawei P20 Pro case. Really cool. This one caught my eye when I took it out of the box the most. Let's have a look at this thing. So here's the case. It's super lightweight, more lightweight than I expected. Although it's lightweight doesn't mean it's flimsy. I don't want to bend it because it is metal. Well, it feels like metal. Let's put it in here and see how it looks. So that actually to me looks really classy. It actually looks like it's the actual phone itself. I really like this one. If you guys want to check this out, head over to the link below this video and you can actually check this out. Awesome case, love this one from Elixir. Check it out on mobilefun.co.uk. Alright, so next up is this one. Now this one, first time I saw it, I thought, wow, this looks like something out of an Iron Man movie. Looks really cool. It's got a little kickstand on there. This one they call the Elixir Raptor Huawei P20 Pro case. Super cool. Let's see how it looks on the phone. Alright, so this is the Raptor case, and one of the things I noticed straight away about this one, apart from how cool it looks, is how thick it is. This really is designed for like really heavy duty stuff. If you use your phone for work on a building site or something like this and you need a really strong case, this is super thick. I feel like you could drop this off a building and it will actually take the impact and not damage the phone, as long as it doesn't land on the front. But then you've got the Elixir screen glass there which you could use, which could help you with that. You've also got this kickstand on the back here, which means you can prop your phone up like that, or you could even prop it up like that, which is quite cool. I like that. Really cool design there when you're on a plane or something like that, or if you're filming an IGTV video and you need to prop your phone up upright, you could do it with this kickstand. Pretty cool. And it kind of locks as well because it's got this other little piece here, kind of locks it, and that just clicks back down. I really like this case, especially the colors and the design there. Look how cool that is. That's the Raptor case from Elixir. Awesome. Alright, so next up is the official Huawei case, and if you guys watch What Gear Reviews, you'll know I'm a fan of the official cases for products, so I'm super excited to look at this one. Inside the case, it says make it possible. I have no idea why they put that there, but they definitely made the triple camera smartphone possible. Well, they were the first to do it for sure. Doesn't feel as strong as the last case I tried, but you can tell this is made by the manufacturer. Just the build quality, the style of it, even this translucent side here, hopefully you can see that, is we've actually got this time which shines through from the back. I wonder if this can show notifications as well. It probably can. I'll have to play around with the settings. You've got the little hole there at the front so you can hear your phone calls. Bit of branding on the back as well, which is really nice as well, and a little bit more advertising for the cameras on the phone. This is definitely the case that I would buy straight away if I bought this on release day. So there's some other options out there. This of course is going to be more pricey than the other ones I've showed you so far, but I'm a fan of this one, definitely. Love this case. Alright, last but not least, it's this one, the UAG Urban Armor Gear. It's got series plasma 3-layer protection, and it's drop tested to military standard, which is interesting. Loads more information on the back there. From the looks of it, they've really heavily tested this case, so it's good to know if you're buying a phone, expensive phone, and you're going to be skiing like this guy here on the front cover, you need something durable. And this has even got bolts in it just to make it look even more solid than it already is. Let's open this thing up. Incredibly lightweight, this one, surprisingly lightweight, but very, very strong. There we go, it's in the case. This can 100% take some knocks. I guarantee that just by looking at it, and the box will guarantee it a bit more than I do. But yeah, fantastic case here. Similar to the Raptor case in thickness, a bit more rubberized on the edges, but this is definitely a good option if your phone's definitely going to take a few knocks from time to time. In my opinion, if you're going for pure style, I'd either go for this one, official one, or this one, which is really thin, probably offers the least amount of protection, but just out of coolness, this is really cool and inexpensive. And then of course the official one, you got that side down there, which allows you to sort of see notifications on the phone and the time and stuff like that. So I think this is the one I'm going to use, but if you guys want to check out any of these, head over to mobilefun.co.uk and you can check out the selection there. And a lot of these cases you can find for other phones as well. So this case, for example, won't just be for the P20. You could probably find it for the iPhone and all the other big phones out there at the moment. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you just subscribed, that means you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man, and I'll see you guys in the next one, so don't be late.